Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Had a breakfast, children? Yes, let us go to the lesson, unit number 7. Who's the best? Now let me read the lesson. Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away in Arabia. In Arabia is a place, a kingdom, you all know that it's a palace. Who lives there? Kings, queens, soldiers, everybody lives there. Yes, once upon a time in olden days, only king should rule. King rulings was there. Not nowadays we have a ministers, chief minister, everybody. But in olden days, only king was ruling the kingdom. They have lived an old king. The king was living in that kingdom. He had a beautiful daughter called Jasmine. He was having a lonely daughter. He was not having sons. She was very beautiful. The king and the princess were full of love for their people. See, the king and the princess, prince and princess were very having the love upon the people. They showed the love upon their people. They love their people who stays in kingdom or nearby the kingdom. The neighbor of the places, villages also they love very much. The king has no sons. The king was not having sons, only daughter she was. So he decided to give his kingdom to the person who would marry his daughter. So king thought he has become very old. He could not rule more. So he decided to give the kingdom the person who would marry to his daughter. Many princes wanted to marry the princess. Many princes wanted to marry the princess, but the king wanted a suitable match for his daughter and an able prince to protect his people, to protect their kingdom, to protect the who stays in the kingdom, to protect their people. So he decided to test them. What he thought? The king has thought to test the people. From among the prince who proposed, he selected 3, namely Prince Faris, Prince Anush, Prince Jishan. See, these people are 3 people. They were prince only, not princess, prince only. Princess is a queen, prince is a king. So, these prince, Faris and Anush and Jishan, they have come to for the test. King has called to them for the palace to give a test. He told them, I shall give you all the month time. Whoever brings the best gift for my daughter shall marry her. What he has told? He has given the test for them that who shall give the best gift for the daughter, for my daughter, so they will get married to her. But the gift should be good for my kingdom too. See, the gift only should not be good for the queen. It should be good for the kingdom also. He has told the words. All the 3 prince went their way to bring the best gift for the princess Jasmine. The king has told them who is going to give the best gift for the princess. I will take them as my daughter's husband. I will give the kingdom. But these 3 princes, they went to get the gift for the Jasmine. Let us see who is going to get the good gift for the queen. After a month, all the 3 returned to the king's palace. The king and the princess were curious to see the gift. Now, the king and the queen were very curious. They was having very curious that to see the gift, which gift they are going to get for the princess. Everyone was interested to know where the king would be. Very curious, no children? Now you can see the three kings have come here, prince have come here to take the test. Here is the king, here is the princess. He has become old, he is having one daughter, and he wanted to give among these three kings who is going to become a king. Well, let us see. Now, he has given a test for the three princes. Now, first one, Prince Faris stood up and showed diamond and rubies. Now look here, what is the meaning of the first prince? Faris stood up and showed diamonds and rubies. Diamonds you all know, no? Diamonds, all king wears diamond necklace, everything. Yes or no? It is very costly and very shiny. And rubies also, it is a gleam stone. It's a king's stone. Only kings wear that rubies. Understood, children? Yes, he has bought the gift for the princess. Who has bought that? Prince Faris. He said, I have bought these precious stones for the princess Jasmine. He bought the important diamond and rubies for the princess Jasmine. A king has had them with him. I fought with him, killed him, and bought these diamonds and rubies. See what he has done? He has killed the king, because king will be having all that important diamonds and rubies, important stones those called. It is very costly, children. Diamond and rubies are very costly. All normal peoples won't wear all that. Nowadays they'll wear, who will be rich, no, they'll be wearing diamonds and all. In that olden days, only king will be having all that. So what the Faris has done, he has killed the king, and he fought with him and killed him and bought this diamond and rubies. He did not do correct, no children. He has done wrong way. To give a gift for the princess, he has done a mistake. He has killed one person and bought the stones. Yes. The second one, what he has done, let us see. Next prince, Anush got up and showed the gun. He said, I have bought a gun to protect ourselves from our enemies. What he has told? He has told that he has bought a gun to protect our enemies and to protect ourselves. He bought the gun. This gun can kill many people from the distance. This gun is that it is very important. If enemies comes, we can kill them from long distance. We can kill them with long distance.